Hi, and welcome back. So last time we had an issue with this nav items still hiding under the side nav. I haven't done anything special. I just hard refreshed Google Chrome and it started working. So obviously some sort of caching thing there. We're just going to make a little tweak to this. We're going to shrink the side nav a bit because it's a bit too big, and we'll bring the container, the red bar there, we'll bring that into this main content area. Okay, so sidebar. Yeah, the sidebar here is 20%. Let's make this. Do not just make it 10% for now. And then that will have to be 90. And I know this is still inline styled for the moment, and it's got a border, so let's make that 89. Okay. And I think the nav bar has a left, yes. Okay, so we've got main content. Let's get that out of the inline styling. And just bring in the border as well. Let's take that out and see what happens. Oh, I appear to have lost it, and this, again, seems to be a caching issue here. What I may do is load that incognito. Okay. Yeah, see, it's all saying left 20. Definitely left 10, so we know that will go over. We seem to have lost our main content too. It may be hidden behind the top nav. Let's just give that a go. Say 10%. No, it is actually there. It's just hiding. So let's put something in the content. Let's just copy some of this. Yeah, as you can see, the inline styling, the styling seems to be caching for some weird reason. So if we just copy what's in here, we'll put that in there. There you go. So you see it will come down. So we'll just play with this for a bit. The wording is still over here. Come on. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be playing ball this left and right. Tell you what, if in doubt, cheat. Okay, and the top, it will sort itself out. It will pull down, but we can put, say, margin top. on that. Let's do 50 pixels just to get it down. There we go. So we'll just copy that. We'll put that into the into here instead. Oh, I have an error somewhere. I see. There you go. So the nav's starting to sort itself out too. Okay, so like I said, well, we will sort this out a bit more as we go. And actually, I want that white. Nav bar. Kind of white, and let's say padding. Don't that much padding. The cache will sort itself out. It's probably just cache on the server. It's taken a little while to actually up FTP. Okay, great. So in the next one, we're going to have a look at the login system. So we build a very basic login system, and then we can get building some functionality then for the finance tracker. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you subscribe, you'll get instant notifications for all my next videos. Thank you.